Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Sweet Dreams hexagon. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, we're going to be making a circle that we're going to work into, and it's going to turn into our hexagon. I have a playlist with a bunch of tutorials on how to make a circle, so you can pick which one you want to use to your preference. I'm going to be using the chain 4 method, which I can also have listed down below. So to begin, I have made 4 chains on my hook. So like I said, I'm going to start row 1 by making 4 chains, and then you're going to make 12 double crochet into your circle. I'm going to be making 12 double crochet into the chain farthest away from my hook. So that's 12 double crochet worked into this center space. You're then going to slip stitch into the chains that you made at the beginning of this row to complete row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. If you're bringing in a new color, you can attach that new color to any previous stitch and then make these 3 chains. Make 2 double crochet into the first stitch. So that's 1, 2. You're now going to make 2 double crochet into each stitch around. So when you reach the beginning of our row where we made these chains, you can see this stitch where those chains are attached to. Those chains count as a double crochet. So into that last stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet to make 2 total into that stitch. And then you're going to slip stitch into the chains that you made at the beginning of this row to complete row 2. To start row 3, I brought in a new color. You can attach a new color to any previous stitch and make 4 chains. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, make a single crochet. You're going to continue making 3 chains, skip 1 chain, make a single in the next one, all the way around until you reach the chains you made at the beginning of your row. When you get back to the beginning of your row, you're going to have these chains that we first made. You're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete row 3. Before you move on to row 4, you're going to want to make sure you have 12 chain 3 spaces to work into going forward. For row 4, I brought in my new color. You can attach your new color to any previous chain 3 space and make 2 chains. Into this same space, make 2 half double crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Then make 3 half double crochet into that same space. Skip to the next space, make a half double crochet, chain 2, and then half double crochet into that space. So you can see this is a corner space. these 2 chains we had made count as a half double crochet, so technically that's 3. Chain 3 for a corner, 3 half doubles. This is going to be a side space, half double, chain 1, half double. So into our next space, we're going to make this corner again. We're going to make 3 half doubles, chain 3, and 3 half doubles all into this same space. Our next side into the next space, half double, chain 1, and half double. Our next corner into the next one, 3 half double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, 3 half double crochet into that same space. Into the next space is our next side, half double, chain 1, half double. Into the next space is our next corner, 3 half doubles, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, 3 half doubles into that same space. Next is our next side, half double, chain 1, and half double, all in that same space. Next is our next corner, 3 half doubles, chain 3, 3 half doubles into the same space. Next space is a side, half double, chain 1, half double. Next is a corner, 3 half doubles into that space, chain 3, 3 half doubles into that same space for that corner. Into the next space is our last side, half double, chain 1, half double. We're back at the beginning of our row where we made those chains. You're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, I brought in my new color. You're going to attach your new color to any previous chain 3 space, so that's going to be any of these corner spaces to start. And you're going to make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. So you're going to make 2 double crochet into this same corner space where we attached our 3 chains. So that's going to be 3 double crochet technically. And then you're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And then make 3 double crochet into the same corner space. So this is going to be our new corner. Make 1 chain. You're going to skip to the next chain 1 space on our side. So it's going to be this space right here. You're going to make 3 double crochet into that space. Make 1 chain. You're going to skip to your next corner space and you're going to make this again. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet all into that same space. Make a chain, skip to the next chain 1 space on the next side, make 3 double crochet into that space. Make 1 chain, next corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet all together into that corner space. So you can see how our sides are looking so far. Make 1 chain, skip to the next chain 1 space of our last row and make 3 double crochet into that space. Make 1 chain, next corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet all together into that corner space. Chain 1, skip to the previous chain 1 space on our side, make 3 double crochet into that space. Chain 1, skip to our next corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet all into that corner space. Make 1 chain, skip to the next chain 1 spot on our side and make 3 double crochet into that spot. Make 1 chain, skip to our next corner space, make 3 double crochet into that space, chain 3, 3 double crochet into that same space, chain 1, skip to the next previous chain 1 spot on our side and make 3 double crochet into that space, make 1 chain. Now we've reached the corner that we started at where we made these chains. You're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 5 is looking. So that's going to be how to make my Sweet Dreams hexagon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.